Hello and good morning. This is Tony Finley coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the gallery on Highway 31. Now, you inquired about 2018 Sonata. Didn't specify a particular color or package that you want, but I have them everything from the base package here, which is the SC, all the way up to the limited package here. Now, they come with cloth interior, power windows, power door locks, tilting cruise, keyless remote entry, or the push button start. You also get backup camera with Android and Apple Play capability. You can get nav and sunroof on the limited. Now the vehicle comes with a 4-cylinder with 185 horsepower, or you can get it in a 2.0T with 245. So we give you all the performance and the power that you need on a vehicle. Comes with an outstanding warranty of 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain warranty, which we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost and no strings attached. Has a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Right now, the Sonata has some outstanding incentives on it, so please give me a call, Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover at 205-380-6250, or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Here, I guarantee you great service and a great price at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile up the road from the gallery on Highway 31.